Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2021 Boston Whaler 250 Outrage. Give you a little spec information on the boat first. The boat's 25 feet 5 inch overall, has a beam of 9 foot and a weight of about 8,200 pounds with fuel, water, gear, etc. Well, now let's take a walk through the boat. So now we're in the cockpit of the 250 Outrage. Starting here on the transom, this boat's equipped with the twin 225 Mercuries in white. Great look, matches the boat well. You have a freshwater shower as you come through the transom door. You have a seat that folds away when not in use here on the transom as well. Great open cockpit, lots of room for fishing. Fish boxes both on port and starboard. Scuppers on each side to drain the deck. Lots of rod storage on both sides as well. Here at the center console area, you have a blue line live well. Moving up to the helm area, this boat has the twin captain's chairs, digital throttle, trim tabs with LED indicators, the hybrid touch marine, the big display, Mercury vessel view, Raymarine VHF, fusion stereo, active trim, which trims the motors for you when you're underway. The Outrage, one of the great things about it is having the glass enclosure, the full glass enclosure, so you're well protected in foul weather. You have your electronics box up top, as well as storage. Of course, it has the fiberglass hard top. You have the taco outriggers for fishing with the handles on each side. This boat is equipped, as you'll see, with the weather curtains that mount here. Moving up into the console, you have a vacuum flush head. Your table stores away as well. Lots of room for gear, lots of room for storage. Then moving up to the bow area, you've got the console seat as well as the filler option on this boat. All the way forward, you have your windlass, which can be controlled obviously from the bow or also from the helm. Well, that's a quick walkthrough on our 250 Outrage. We'd be glad to show you this boat or any in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100. Check us out on Facebook, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.